My son was innocent and straightforward. He had a wholesale business of supplying spices.
Madam, tell me, how did Aziz die?
He died in an accident. It's more than 2 years since he died.
Sir, tea for you.
Thanks.
Sir.
I would like to invite on the stage Mr. Robin Mundachan to share his views on.
भाइयों और बहनों, नमस्ते। आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार।
A warm welcome to the ladies and gentlemen.
Another dead end. Right, sir? He kept using the account of a person who died 2 years ago.
The chemical analysis report of the third victim, Ashok, is with me. And in his stomach, psilocybin toxic level has been found.
Psilocybin?
You must be knowing it's a neurotoxic substance. Mere one dose of this substance can cause the person to faint. Some people even might get lost off.
So, the killer ensured that Ashok Selvaraj feels dizzy and takes him to the hospital. That's the mystery. So planned.
आप सब समझ जाएंगे जब मैं आपको कहानी सुनाऊंगी 2 निर्वासित शेर के बच्चों की।
I will try and portray the story of those 2 children in our world so that you are able to easily understand what Madam wants to convey to you.
This translator is really pathetic.
Really, we must appreciate that man's confidence. He is simply bluffing and blabbering.
Divya,
Sir,
you are right. The words that he has been using in the poetries, they can be translated in other languages, right? It's a translation from Mayur's original Latin god by in 18th century physician god Giovanni Morgani. Yes. And these words are written at the site of murder.
Dr. Satish Madhavan has shared your contact. I am Dr. Govind Raj. Sir, the words you just spoke, they are not in Kerala, but somewhere else I'm sure about it. These words are written at Kozhikode Medical College in its anatomy dissection hall.
Let conversation cease. Let laughter flee. This is the place where death delights to help the living. It means 2 more murders.
Sir, only first-year MBBS students enter the dissection hall. 200 students per batch. We make different small groups of these students.
Ma'am, what are those tanks for?
Formalin tanks.
Oh,
The dissection object is put into the tank a day prior.
ma'am, can you tell me at this place, I mean particular in this hall, any possibility of someone getting murdered or some crime getting committed? Do you think any such incident can occur?
Sir, I have been working in anatomy department for the last 14 years. Until date, no such incident has occurred.
Sir, I have been working here for the last 25 years. You are aware that this is a government institution. Even if someone sneezes or someone catches cold, it becomes headlines. Whatever happens in this institution, it is impossible that it won't make the headlines.
Now, please tell me one thing. Is there any possibility that any psychotype man or anyone with the intent of murder, can he come in the headlines, Mr. Pratap? not only the students leaving this institute after studies, but the teachers, staff members. Not only that, there can be many stories behind this goat brought for the research here. This is highly probable, Mr. Pratap. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Sir,